It is extremely clear there is a real understanding between the CPM and the Congress insofar as criminal leaders are concerned, because the CPM is very, very worried that in the coming elections it will lose, and is seeking an insurance policy with the Congress party. The Congress party's Rahul Mankutam should have been charged with, under the sections of the law appropriately many months ago, and should have been questioned accordingly. But it is only thanks to the pressure of the media and the victim speaking out, that finally a case has been filed against Rahul Mankutam, the MLA from the Congress. And as far as other cases are concerned, there is another case in Calicut where Chandrasekhar INTUC, leader of the Congress party, there is a huge, Congress in Kollam actually, where the CPM refuses to proceed against him. So it is very clear that in a desperate attempt to remain in power, the CPM is seeking an understanding with the Congress to defeat the BJP NDA. But the people of Kerala, every Malayali have decided that they want change. They want to shrug away the politics of the CPM and the Congress that have held back the state and their family's future for many years. And I am hopeful that they will support the BJP NDA. എന്തോ പലങ്ക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ എന്താണ് അത്? ആ പാവം വിക്ടിമിന് ജസ്റ്റിസിന്റെ ഇഷ്യൂ അല്ലേ? The victim is the one who deserves justice. We are not doing politics about this. This is not about politics. When somebody in power, somebody in the position of an MLA exploits a woman, abuses a woman, exploits, and does injustice to a woman, it is the duty of the state government to give justice to the victim. For months they have not done it, and it is now because of the pressure of the media and the pressure of the victim's family that they are doing it. So there is no politics in this. There is a certain right and wrong about people who are in politics, people who are in public life, who people have trusted and given them a vote. How can somebody who has taken a vote from a citizen on the basis of trust and belief be the person who is a predator and exploiting that women in that same community? So this is wrong. This is wrong by any standard and should have been prosecuted much earlier on.